Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and it is the 1st of August, which means it is time for Stash Down 2023. Stash Down 2023 is hosted by Queen's Craft by Bridget. In a nutshell, we are keeping track of using up our stash we had prior to January 1st of this year. And I have quite a bit this month. I think I got a lot done compared to last month. So I did record June's temperature blanket. I already have June's temperature blanket already attached to all the other months already. So if you see, I had a short that showed an update on my temperature blanket. So if you see that short, you see that I already have that attached. So, but I did write down the stats before doing that. So June's temperature blanket came in at 7.6 ounces. No, I got two different ounce readings. Hold on. 8.1 ounces or 228 grams. I wrote up on the July 14th, and I think I wrote down 2 ounce readings on here. I don't know why I did that. So we're going to go with 8.1 ounces and 228 grams. Okay, so I got quite a bit of stuff done. So if you've seen my tutorial, I did a bunch of these rainbow fidget toys. So this is the one that I turned into a pillow. That one is 0.8 ounces or 24 grams. That's this one. I did a purple one. Purple one, where is my rainbow? Okay. Purple, 0.3 ounces and 9 grams. And this rainbow weighs the same. It is 0.3 ounces or 9 grams. So that covers all the rainbow fidget toys. Okay, speaking of fidget toys, I did this one around a hairband. That's all double crochets, and I didn't follow a pattern for this, but I'm contemplating writing one and doing a tutorial. So anyway, this little blue fidget toy. Okay, let's see. Let me look at my notes. I'm looking at my notes here. Okay, Mobius toy. It's only 1 ounce or 29 grams. Now, this other fidget toy, there is a video tutorial on this. The story behind this one, if you've seen it, was my candle wreath pattern, because it went around a candle wreath, but I got this one again around a hair tie. So this can double as a candle wreath or a scrunchie or a fidget type toy. So this one is 1.3 ounces or 34 grams. All right. Now, you probably have seen that I started a Scrubby Sunday series. The Scrubby Sunday series was to make dishcloths for AmericanStarfish.org, and that is supposed to support homeless veterans. So check out my Scrubby Sunday series for more information on that. But you probably have seen most of these already. Actually, you've probably seen almost all of, I didn't think about it, you've probably seen almost all of these projects I've shown so far. So anyway, new tutorial just out. I call it my pie dishcloth, but I'm seeing comments about other things that this might look like so far. I've seen that it just looks like a snowflake, and another comment says that it looks like a sand dollar. At the time when I made this pattern, I didn't know what, I just called it a pie because it looked like it had 8 pie wedges in it. And that's why I called it the pie dishcloth. Anyway, this particular purple one Comes in at 1.3 ounces or 36 grams. Okay, and this, I also have a tutorial just recently out. This is my Domino dishcloth. So this one is 0.9 ounces for 25 grams. Like I said, I have a tutorial on this, so I hope you check that tutorial out. This last dishcloth is this pattern you can find on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. She has this square dishcloth, which is pretty cool. I may have to make sure I'll have to make a couple more of these. But this square dishcloth comes in at 1.8 ounce and 50 grams. So I will leave the link for her dishcloth in the description. Okay, so another thing I made is I made this little basket. It's similar to a basket that I actually have a tutorial out on, except this one has an oval bottom. So that's kind of cute. So anyway, this basket. Alright, so where do I have you? Where are you? Basket, there you are. I'm looking at my notes, I'm trying to find everything. The basket, this is 2.5 ounces or 73 grams. Very cute. Okay, so that, oh. Let's see, did I weigh you? I have this pie dishcloth. Oh, pie red. That's this one. Alright, yeah, this is, yeah, I didn't like how this one turned out. It's kind of got a bump in it, which I'm not fond of. But anyway, this pie dishcloth comes in at 0.8 ounces or 23 grams. Alright, I think that covers all my dishcloths. So I have 2 hats left. So I have this hat, which I think I made this shortly after doing the last stash down video, because I felt like I didn't have enough projects that use last year's stash, and now I have plenty. Now I have more this month. But anyway, this hat, there's no really rhyme or reason or pattern for this hat. It's just, I just started out with 10 double crochets and expanded it out to, I think, I'm not sure, I don't remember, maybe 60. Anyway, you just increase until I had about 6 inches. Then I went down evenly. And then I just added quite big band to it. I don't think I meant to make the band that big, but anyway, this also has this hands. I use several strands of like 1 or 2 thread yarn for this. So anyway, this hat comes in at 2.5 ounces or 70 grams. Okay, I think that covers one more hat. And actually, this is the first time you're seeing this finished project, because I just finished this up yesterday on July 31st under the wire. If you've seen my Finish It Friday series, I didn't say I was going to work on my Fairyland hat. I was going to work on a scarf, but I decided to finish the Fairyland hat. That is cute. I wanted to finish it because it was one of the few projects I thought I could finish that was using stash from last year. I like it. It is knitted. It's like all knit. And I did kind of screw up. I was supposed to use knit 2 together to make it look more seamless, but I was thinking I had to also do like the slip knit one, or the slip knit and then pass the slip over, but that it's not seamless. I don't know if I can see that. I'm gonna hold that for a second. I mean, I guess it gives it character. It doesn't make it look seamless. I didn't realize that until I got to the green. It's like, oh, they're all supposed to be knit two together. And you probably can't, it looks seamless. Anyway, I love it. I love this hat. I'm going to have to make a pattern. I'm going to have to write out a pattern for this. I'm not sure about a video, but yeah, hat. Yeah, I like this hat. Almost can't wait till winter for this hat. Hope I don't look ridiculous, but anyway, I think that is everything. I think that covers everything I did for Stash Down for the month of July. But hey, while I got you here, I might as well do my regular work in progress video and finished object video. So now you're seeing the first finished object from this week, and that is this Fairyland hat. Although I do have other projects that I finished this week. You've probably already seen these from my Scrubby Sunday. So these are the Scrubbies I have finished, but that I've already shown on Scrubby Sunday. There's no pattern. It was like a popcorn. Actually, yeah, if you've seen that video, you know that I made this while I was waiting for a thunderstorm to pass while I was recording making these. I was making the video and then the thunderstorm rolled through and I wanted to wait till it passed, and that's why I made this one. Anyway, these are from you'll see these in my pie dishcloth tutorial I just finished. That's why I have these here. And the last thing I have finished, if you see my Finish It Friday series, you've seen this already. That is this basket from the yarn left over from the mystery I had from the Mystery Yarn Challenge for July 2023, and that is hosted by Armchair Chef. So that is that basket, and that is all the finished projects from this week. I was gonna try to finish this project, and that is the scarf. But I did get several more rows done on that one. So that is that. Also, if you've seen, I started this actually while I was recording the Scrubby Sunday series, and that is this dishcloth. Because I was gonna I showed this yarn that I received off Amazon, and I was showing the yarn stats on that, and I thought, yeah, and I still feel this is very, very thick, and this feels like would be a very thick dishcloth, to the point where I don't think I would use this yarn. I think I might use the remaining yarn to make like a bag instead, or like a market bag. Though it might work as a dishcloth, so stay tuned for Scrubby Sunday. I should have this dishcloth finished for sure by then, because it is for sure a size 5. Absolutely positively no progress on my grocery bag basket. That is still in here. Yep. Didn't even touch it, didn't even work on it. Though I should work on it because I feel like I need the storage. I want to get this done so I can put stuff in it. That's what I like about my baskets. I can put stuff in it. Alright, let's see what else I got. Oh yes, the t-shirt. The t-shirt I started in May as part of Tanks and Tees 2023, which is definitely way over by now. And okay, now my hook's getting caught in here. My husband's doing physical therapy still for his knee, so I bring this project while he's working on it. And I'm almost done with the current orange stripe on here. And I'm going to do one more stripe, and then it's time to make the neck hole opening and go on to the other side. So slowly but surely, I will have this t-shirt hopefully done before next year. No, I actually want to get this done because the yarn for this is the yarn I had before the first of the year, so this would count once this t-shirt is done. It would count towards Dash Down 2023. So I definitely want to get this done before the end of the year. Another project that I have going on using yarn I had before the first of the year is the cowl. This is a Jada in Stitches pattern. This is a rather simple cowl, and I'll probably keep going at it until I'm out of yarn. And this yarn, I believe, is Scarfy. Alright, I'll make sure I didn't forget any projects yet before going on to my temperature blankets. I think I got everything. Okay. So this is the crochet scarf, which is getting to be too big to put on camera. And for the first time we hit 100 degrees, and I'm able to put 100 degrees in here. So this is like almost always up to date. In fact, I still have to do today's yet. We'll get that done in a minute. Finally, I have the temperature blanket. August 1st. Still not done with July's yet. It's pretty sad. I better get this done before I go on vacation. I don't want to be that far behind. Let's see, I'm trying to think out what day I'm on with this. Yeah, exactly, I think. Yeah, because right now I'm working on, when we were in the, actually, the 2 days we were in the hundreds, I'm on the second day we were in the hundreds. So that means I am looking, I am going this to count off, so I got 3, like 4 days? Oh, not too bad. 4 days behind, so I better get going and get this one finished. Alright, that for sure is everything. Let me know what you think of the hat. It's like, I love this hat. Now I gotta take it off pretty soon because it's gonna be too hot to wear it. So, for sure, this hat. I said I was gonna thinking about using this yarn for the hat, and it's definitely happening. I should have enough because I still have, I think I still have half. This is one of the Karen cakes, and I still have about half a cake left. Yeah, knitting doesn't take that much yarn, so for sure this is going into this hat. Alright, enough babbling by me. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.